Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, SonarQube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID, so please reach out to us and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you. Datadog Nginx, right? So let's may log into Datadog first. So here it is. I think I installed it, but it's okay anyways. So uh, how to install Nginx installation in Datadog. So this is the tutorial you can follow whole things. So first thing, how to install Nginx. So Nginx in Ubuntu, right? So here you have a tutorial for CentOS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this out. apt get install nginx, and here package is there, so I don't have to worry about it. So in Ubuntu I'm doing it, by the way. So nginx installed. Now can I run this nginx and check if it's running or not? So start nginx and IP address is here. Welcome to nginx, it's running. So that is done. Now configure and nginx and start a service. So that I did it. Enable this module. How do we enable it? So there's a command to check whether this module is installed or not. And you see this output means this module is installed, so I don't have to install it. Most of the time you'll get installations actually. So that's there. After that you have to go to this file, this location, and the file which is called status.conf. So cd etc nginx conf.d status dot, just trying to find out the file, and here it's not there. So etc nginx conf.d, this file is not there, so no problem. I'll just copy this file, okay, and here this module will be publishing the nginx details at this place, okay. So copy this port number 81 and allow from here, deny for all this stuff. So it's a local host, it will be allowed for local host actually. So here vi status.conf, enter, save it, done, restart nginx. Now I want to check that is accessible or not. So this is a curl localhost to check that from inside, and here it's active, so this is means this is working. From outside, I think it'll not be accessible because deny was there. Let me check. Ah, yeah, true. So 404, that's correct. Why? Because of this line. Uh, Allow from localhost only, from deny everywhere else. That's okay. We don't need to outside accessible. So that is done. After that, I need to configure the Datadog for that. So what we are going to do? So I think more or less you know that. cd etc Datadog. Okay. Data dog hyphen agent status. I'm just checking this. Datadog is not there in this box. Not sure why. It should be there, but it's not there. It's okay. I can install it. So go to infrastructure. Go to integrations. Go to agent, and now I'm installing the agent in Ubuntu. So let it come. Ubuntu. Select the key. Copy this code. Okay, and then run this. It will take few seconds. Just wait for it. So agent will be installed. So I can enable it. Okay, so almost done. Now let me check the status. It's running. So now let me enable the configuration. So etc datadog conf.d. So here you have to go inside nginx. nginx.d. Here. Now this file copy to conf.yaml. Done. Vi conf.yaml. And here only the things instances you have to change this one. So this is already there. If you notice 81 port. I don't have to change anything because if you see that here 81 port and this is the path, it's already there. So let it be everything same. There's no need to change except the copy paste. Restart this your Datadog. So systemctl restart Datadog hyphen agent, and finally I'll check that nginx is working or not here. So here, see here, this is okay. So everything is okay. Now also I'll check API key, that's okay. So things are okay. Now I'll create some traffic on 80 port F5, 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 F5. And now I'm expecting some loads here. So go to the Explorer here in Nginx, type Nginx. Still has not come, just wait for a second. Not come. Now you can also meanwhile till it's coming you can check the integrations also. So here you have to install this. So it's already installed, so you don't have to do that. Now this all this thing you can check this all this data you have it here. So so this is the logs actually. So right now I don't need it. So more or less everything is there. Just wait for it. Let's create one more traffic F5, 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 and then now go back to Datadog, explore the matrix, Nginx, not coming. Just wait for a few seconds more. Meanwhile, let me check status. And here, you see here runs 9. Total samples has been sent 63. Service check 9, all stuff. So it's working here. It's okay. Fine, no problem. And everything's correct. Let's refresh. Nginx. Strange. So let's wait for it. Let me check the agent is there or not. So agent is responding the data. So that's okay. Okay. Process enable also, I think I'll just do that. Before that, let me check. Containers, matrices, host info, everything is coming. Nginx has come here. View metrics. Now it started coming now. Wait, let me check here on this. My God. This could be some database issues. Just a second. I'm just checking that one more time configuration. Everything is correct. This I'm putting the curl and see if we get some data. Curl. Yeah. So you're getting the data and now you should be having it. Came. Okay, so now it's came. But why it took so long? No idea. Oh, what is this? Wait a second. Now it's came. So it took some time, but now you have this matrix. Understood now?
The same thing we did, but you have given the conf.yaml, the local host you have given, right, in
Hmm.
the conf.yaml file.
IP address also
While
will work.
yeah,
IP address will
I
work.
have no, we just gave local host. It has shown 403 error. I don't know why the 403 error came when using
Local
local
host
host.
will be accessible only from that machine. From
Yeah,
outside, if you access, then you have to use IP address.
no, in the same mission we have given the in the conf.yaml when we use the local host we got 403 error in the Datadog agent status while checking the Datadog agent status. That's why we got
So
confused and gave the IP address.
check that this configuration as it is.
Okay. In that
So
allow IP address we
local
have
host,
given
this
the
local.
local host. Yes.
Just put it up this one and deny all means all IP address. Just so you are allowing
Okay.
only local host.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.